Today I'm building a passive income empire using a smart investment strategy. Just like in real life, investing early gives you a huge advantage, and I'm going to show you guys how that works. I'm treating this like a stock market, buying low and selling high. So when we're going to buy right, not there, we're going to sell at this high point here. So we're going to buy when it's low like this, and then we're going to sell when it's higher up like that. If we don't do that, we're going to lose a lot of money. So it's very important to know that starting with buying when this screen starts, that's the most highest priority because that's the lowest point. And then it will rise. Trust me. You can see buy right here, this point, and then it will rise. And then selling right there when you can see it's gonna fall down. It's not gonna fall down like in real life. So let's see how far I can grow this business using this smart investment. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this quite fast for you guys, and it is going to be the same thing in this game. This is actually showing a lot of commercial here, and these guys are earning crazy amount of money on this game, and it is very important to say that when you start up this, you will get, I think it's about 3 or 4 tries for free. And then they will just pop up with advertise. If you say no to those advertise, getting right there, we can get 30% extra income. They will still show you an advertise. And I just wanted to show you guys this game because I think it was pretty fun because there's a lot of people that are trying to see if they can. I don't know why they have this one right here. This is just lowering the tax, and the tax is you cannot do that in real life. But when you have this, you can see that I'm waiting for trying out this stock selling again because it's like it is booming in the internet on how to sell and how to buy stocks around here, and this is just a simulation that's showing you there's a catch in every sale. So if this one is a real one, you can see you will not win every time. But in this game here, it is just not showing the reality because it's not going that slow. If it was going that slow, everyone could actually sell. But there's a lot of scammers out there trying to convince you and yeah, making a side hustle by buying stocks. And I wish that we could all get the benefit of winning in these kind of stock games, if you can say it like that. But let's see here. There's different kind of things in this game that have make no sense. Putting in your credit card, and that's one of the things here. And then you just need to hit the green setup here so you can get more money out. I have no idea what that is, and it just feels like they are, yeah, they're trying to get you back to the stock setting. So that's what it's all about. Then you can buy things here, and I thought I needed to buy something because there's you can see the the question mark right there on the bling thing. You can buy on that. So when you're, I just was you looking at some of the cars, but I don't actually have the money for it. So I bought. I think it was a watch or something, and this watch here you cannot use it for anything. I don't know how and why that is important, but I think the developers want us to be feeling like this is a game that in real life, so now you can buy fancy things and so on. I don't know why that is. This is so lame. But this is actually pretty fun. This one right here is the only fun thing in it. So we're gonna put all in here, and all is just the green one, of course. And then we have, you can see in the top right corner, you can see, sorry, left corner, uh, you can see how much money that I'm actually using on these betting. So starting here, buying, and then selling at that point right there. Then just waiting until it's going to fall again. It doesn't matter if it fall down to the button, and that's also in real life. Remember, if you need to buy something, it doesn't need to be in button here, but just be aware that it is real money you're paying. And yeah, I don't think this is gonna be a good side hustle for anyone actually in real life, to be honest. So, but yeah, I would just let it stay like this, and hopefully you guys will learn that it is not easy to get money in real life. It is going to be hard getting it, but let's just keep on going with this one right here, because there's a idea behind of this video actually. So this is more like an, you can say, you learned about finance and investment. So if you're going to learn that, so let's see here. If we take all in, that means I need to see an advertise. But like I said before, it will show advertise even though, and I'm just clipping out these advertises so you guys can see it. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, not seeing. So every time it stopped right there, this guy is dancing, and then there's gonna be an advertise. If you just tap no, get the money, but there will still be an advertise, and there's advertise right there because I was just cutting that off. So the vending machine, I have no idea why they have put this in. It's just, in my opinion, kind of lame. I don't know why. So, so let's just see here. The Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is nothing that's gonna be giving me much here. So let's just see here. But first, we're going to see something else in this game. This is something extra they have. It is buying bitcoins. So they want to convince us to buy bitcoins and actually harvest them ourselves. I don't know why they make this as well. So of course you're going to be putting in an upgrade on Bitcoin so that every hour you can get some money. That's a passive income, of course. And in this game here, it just feel like you need a lot of money, and you try to get the stock rising every time. So they also have this hacking setup. I don't know why they have that, so that we can. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just like showing off like you're doing some hustle things here. So so if I should rate this game in any kind of way, from 1 to 10, I would give it 1. To be honest, it is 100% set up for the developers so that they can get a lot of advertising income. Nothing else. So I don't recommend this game. I don't actually recommend any of these kind of games here because yeah, it's just stupid. Now we're gonna see the Wheel of Fortune here. I watched the advertise for seeing that, and you can get some money by that. So if you really want to be playing this, you could. I just recommend just watch the advertise and get some things on it. You can see there's an advertise popping up there every time. This advertise, you cannot take that away. That's so annoying. But it's the same developers that are making those kind of games, that you're flying around trying to see if it's left or right and so on, and trying to get some extra income on that with yeah the power of the machines and so on. I don't like those games as well. It's exactly the same setup here. So every time you try to do something, you're forced advertising setup. And that's one of the things I do hate actually. But of course that's how this all work. When people are making games like this, it's just lame in some kind of way. So yeah, so that's all for me for now. Hope you guys enjoy this. Even though it is a financing setup, so if we could just have been playing the simple setup where we could just buy the stock, that had been so much better here. So let's just see it for the last time here is buying low, getting the highest amount. Don't go for the biggest one in the top right there. You will never get that. So you can see the green setup here. When you hit that, yeah, this session is finished. So that's gonna stop it. So hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys next time. I'm Cat. Please subscribe to my channel. I will never make videos like this again. I promise you guys that. Bye guys. See ya.